Hey everybody, Sherri Michelle here. Welcome back to Ravishing Lather. In this video, I will be creating my beautiful watermelon / strawberry soap. Stay tuned to see how I created this beautiful soap with seeds and all. Now to get my authentic seed look for my watermelon soap, I just took some of my hemp soap base and mica and I just drizzled it onto some wax paper, and this created the seed effect that I wanted. Okay, I've already added my watermelon and strawberry fragrance. Now I'm going to add my colorant to the soap. Normally when you stir in your color, you start from lightest to darkest. I just did it reverse this time. Now to get the seeds to stick to the bottom of the mold, I just sprayed a little bit of alcohol and then begin to place the seeds. To prevent my seeds from moving all over the place, I decided to start by pouring my soap in the corner of the mold and then working my way out. Now I wanted it to look like the seeds were going throughout the soap, so I would just let the soap sit for a little bit and then I would pour the soap and then I would place the seeds strategically throughout the soap. And to separate the seeds, I just used a little spatula. This helped me to make sure the seeds were separated and they looked strategically placed. Now most watermelons have a small little white part of the rind that's on the soap, so I decided to add a very thin layer of pearlized white mica to this soap to give it that effect. Now a little bit of red soap came through, but that's okay because I still have to add the green as my rind, so it'll look good. And just to add a few more details, I added a little bit of white and I'm going to streak it through the green to make it look more like a watermelon rind. I love how this soap came out. I like how it's translucent and you can see the seeds, the colors. It's very vibrant and it looks great. Not to mention it smells absolutely delectable. The watermelon with the hints of strawberry, it smells literally edible. From the seeds to the detail of the rind, I love how the soap just pops. It looks great. Well, I have truly enjoyed making this soap. I am so happy with the results and how the soap turned out. I'm going to call this soap Watermelon Strawberry Delight. You can find this soap on my website. Check out the description box below. Stay tuned for more great videos. And you know what? Bonus footage. So I thought it would be cute if I just added a little bit more artistic flair to the soap. So I took out a couple of little parts of the soap to make it look like the watermelon soap was bitten. And it turned out pretty cute. Thank you for watching. I hope your summertime is filled with fun, lots of artistic things, and joy. Stay tuned for more great videos. Check out the description box below to purchase this soap. And remember, be ravishing.